If you ask a random group of people on the street to define poverty for you, you'll get a different answer each time. There will be various reactions. Young women could complain about not having enough to eat, struggling to make ends meet, living on the streets, and other issues. If you haven't experienced poverty, you wouldn't understand. You have no idea how quickly life can change, or how simple it is to become impoverished. Welcome to Financial Fluence. In this video, we'll talk about what it takes to escape poverty. Let's now get going. Number 1. Education. Education is essential if you want to win this battle, since knowledge is power. First and foremost, ensure that you are financially literate. Financial literacy is an issue that is rarely addressed in academic settings. As a result, you'll have to start from scratch or study it from another source. Learn everything you can about financial products, such as your legal rights to information about the credit industry as a whole, financial markets, your individual finances, credit ratings, financial statements, and other subjects. All of this information will give you an advantage over the competition, help you save money, and help you find the best offer for your needs. With this information, you'll be able to spot scams that could hurt your finances in a big way. Because understanding how the world works might help you avoid being exploited. Knowledge is liberating. It will be your best defense one day, so arm yourself with knowledge. Number 2. Develop skills at the core of it. Learn from a local mechanic, shoemaker, carpenter, or other tradesperson. Additionally, learning design, programming, marketing, and other skills can be done online and through books. An exceptional effort will act as a stepping stone. If you approach it correctly, you may be able to earn a small wage that will boost your self-esteem and make you proud of your achievements. Eventually, you'll be the person everyone wants to work with, especially once you've mastered that specialization, got an extra on-the-job experience, and established yourself as the best in your area. Number 3. Learn to sell. Everything in this world is based on earning sales. You shouldn't let the worst writers tickle your head. You can earn a lot of money in this world if you can become an expert salesperson. The world's top-paying profession is sales. The majority of the world's wealthiest individuals excel at selling. They market themselves, their goals, their wares, their offerings, and their abilities. You must become an expert at selling. Anyone can master this skill, and you don't need a fancy education or a specific ability either, which is its charm. It is simple to learn and to get started. For example, selling something to your neighbors, family, friends, and strangers. You'll eventually master the best sales techniques and strategies for selling anything you desire, whether it's at a local market or a large organization. Number 4. Mind control. It is tough for everyone to express their thoughts and ideas. They are not necessarily ours. We either accept them from our environment or develop them in our minds. What our peers say, do, and think is what our minds will accept as our own opinions, whether through social media, radio, or television. All of them provide us with ideas for potential points of view. They even compel us to make larger purchases than what we had planned. It's similar to coming to the grocery store or food store hungry and buying far more food than you need, or the well-known pyramid schemes that lead individuals to feel they can make money quickly by investing a little. That is to say, we do not always have control over our thoughts and opinions. You'll commit all of your time, money, and effort to principles that don't help you at all. You may have been born into poverty, so develop your mental strength. Your mind is priceless, so treat it with care. Take control of what you feed your mind to take control of it. Based on your own thoughts, you should be able to determine what is best for you and how to improve your condition. Engage in things that inspire you to dream and achieve your goals. Feeding your mind well will lead to highly productive habits, so please do so. Number 5. Entitlement. Nothing comes easily in the world we live in. The systemic concept of educational advancement did not exist back then. Higher education institutes aid professions. They'd even pay for your college degree. Soon enough, there were too many people with advanced degrees, and everything became overcrowded. Don't have expectations because you now have to add other things to achieve a decent job after studying so hard to pass through all the obstacles. Learn the importance of hard work. Get that entry level or first job you may think is beneath you, and lay the groundwork for your future. Nobody else will do it for you. The world is a competitive place, and you must be driven to succeed. Nothing is handed to anyone anymore to bring them where they want to go. And before we continue, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Hit the like button and turn on the notification bell to be notified every time a new video is uploaded. And let's continue. Number 6. Community resources. Local resources are a rich mine of information and opportunity. Your neighborhood, which includes churches, public libraries, neighborhood NGOs, and community centers, can help you improve your condition. Making use of the available resources is empirical. If you participate in the local organization and it's an art center, you might be eligible for the opportunity. You can access services from these community initiatives and NGOs that will help you become independent. There might be seminars, one-on-one instruction, and a venue where you can display your skills. Number 7. Get professional with the skills you have. Since the consumers you pull are there for you to help them and not because they are in need of assistance, you need to differentiate yourself from what other companies in the same area have to offer. If you don't want your client to think badly of the service you gave, don't give sloppy or careless service when doing business. Your company's success depends on customer recommendations, so be very careful with your work. Boost the quality of your business relationships at work. You'll be astonished by how much positive word of mouth will help your business. Number 8. Out with the poor masses. Nobody gets to pick their birthplace or upbringing, yet being born into poverty does not mean that you will always be there. You would want to improve your situation, so it would be selfish of you to stay poor. You may reduce the number of people living in poverty by using every available strategy to do so. Not on your own, but if you use your skills to get work and make a living. When you help someone escape poverty, your connections with your family and friends always get better. In order to establish yourself, you must utilize your gifts and talents if you have the chance. You constantly carry the mental baggage that comes with being poor. When one is successful, it is impossible to still believe that one is poor. Delete all phrases that refer to poverty from your speech and vocabulary. Stay away from the oppressed majority and hang out with other progressives who share your values. Number 9. In with success. To begin with, you cannot change into something you loathe. The truth is that everyone is selfish, including those who appear fortunate to the poor. Living in poverty forces us to be humble, which is a good way to hide what we really want. Don't think that everyone who is progressive is against you if you want to be progressive. This does not apply to everyone because some affluent and progressive people are too greedy, arrogant, and oppressive to understand everything. Consider human nature. They are inherently curious about the goods they receive, whether it's a romantic relationship, a profession, or anything else. The foundation of all decisions is what they stand to gain from them. When you focus on providing for what people desire, keep this in the back of your mind as you consider what people want and how you can give them just that. By doing this, you'll position yourself to get what you want. Let your mind wander to a successful and advanced place, and then see how much you can accomplish to achieve your goals and escape poverty. It doesn't hurt to try and leave a bad circumstance. Many run away because they seek control over their own lives. They dislike having their actions dictated to them by external factors. If you have this mentality, you'll do whatever it takes, no matter how small, to get away. In conclusion, here are the 9 things that can help you escape poverty. Education. Develop skills at the core of it. Learn to sell. Mind control. Entitlement. Community resources. Get professional with the skills you have. Out with the poor masses. In with success. And that's all. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoy similar stuff, check out my other videos. And if you like it, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell. And I'll see you in the next video.